Today's the day we cut our mattress cushions for the bed. We are about to open this memory foam mattress, and we're going to open it inside, and then we're going to take it outside to cut it. But here goes nothing. Here's the mattress that we got. It's a 6-inch king mattress, and it's going to expand rather quickly. We got an electric bread knife to cut through the memory foam mattress. Here we go. Trying to get this dang thing undone. Taking forever. Did you get it?
Just about.
Now we gotta take the sock off.
Do you not agree?
I think you're right.
This one's easy. $300 mattress. Just ripping it apart.
Okay, so we just marked our hole for 21 inches, or our line for 21 inches, and now Tyler's gonna take the bread knife or electric knife and go straight down to make our cut.
We should have put one on the side here. Oh yeah. Oh, it is beauteous. She sticks to the legs because it's a little hot, but.
All right, so we're at my parents' house for my sister's graduation. Now we're wrapping up the cushions because it's gonna be downpouring tomorrow. Pressure's on. Filming. Make sure it's a clean cut. Oh, mistake one already made on the camera.
It's easier to cut like this.
I agree. Perfect.
That side's more comfortable because we're on an angle.
All right. We got the cushions in. So our cushions are going to be a little bit over the windows, which kind of stinks, but there's still plenty of airflow out of them. And in bed mode, the cushions are well below the windows, so it'll be all right. What do we think?
Not too shabby.
Good. Nice and comfy.
As you can see, we finally got our cushions back from the upholsterer. Is that a real word?
Upholster. I don't know.
Upholsterer. And we are really enjoying the cushions. And Taylor will give you a little bit more details on the fabric and what kind of upholstery we got.
All right, so we did shop around a bit. As most of you probably know, we live in South Jersey. So I was looking for some sort of upholstery place in South Jersey close to us because Lord knows I cannot sew. We were going to go with a boat shop upholsterer. However, he was a little bit more expensive. So we found like a mom and pop guy, Ersun Upholstery. I definitely recommend him to anyone who's in South Jersey who's looking for upholstery. He actually came and picked up our cushions as well as our fabric and dropped them off when they were finished, and he was done. The overall price was $535 with tax, and he even put this piping on the sides. We were hoping that this would help them keep their shape a little bit better, so I guess we'll see later on if this actually works. Secondly, we did not buy fabric from any upholsterer. They were very expensive. They were like $30 a yard plus. So we actually went to Hobby Lobby and bought just our 10 yards of fabric that we gave to the man. So definitely recommend that if you're on a budget and if you're looking for fabric. Hobby Lobby has a lot of great choices and a pretty affordable amount of
Price point.
Yes, a pretty affordable price point.
Alright, so now I want to show you how we put it into bed mode and what it looks like with the cushions. So the first step is to remove the table from the Lagoon swivel. And slide this off. And this goes into the bed mode here. These two cushions come out. You just tuck them underneath. I have another piece of wood in here for this spot, but for the purpose of the video, I'm not going to do that. And then these come out in the middle. And then this slides right into here. So here you have it in bed mode, and it's really, really tight. So you're not going to be falling into the cracks. So when we cut the cushions, we made them like a little bit thicker than the actual length of the bed area, and that's so we know that these cracks, these seams, are going to be really tight and you're not going to be able to slip through. So keep that in mind when you're cutting yours. You kind of want to, you know, make it a little bit thicker so you don't have to worry about going through the cracks, because that would be a pain in the butt. This is relatively easy to do. It costs about, depending on what type of memory foam mattress you got, ours is 6 inches. And it costs, I think, like a little under $300. I'll leave a link to the product that we got off Amazon, and then depending on where you can get it upholstered, like $500 to $800. But it's pretty simple. If you have any questions about how we did it, then drop a comment below. If you want to see more van build episodes, then consider subscribing, and check out our van build playlist for other van build content documenting every single thing that we've done in this van. And thank you so much for watching, guys. We really, really appreciate it, and we are very close to getting on the road. We cannot wait.